at some point. Maybe she can decide to be smaller, I don't know. But she's massive. The trailer and the statue. Like, there's no way the statue looks like that is the scale of, like, a horse-sized dragon.
Yeah, I know. She's that now, like, for me. But so I don't think she gets any bigger.
Still want to boot Primordius on the suit.
Primordius is a very obvious one of them is a
Snoot was just there, begging to be booped, and we just didn't do it. We just decided to, I don't know, fight a god or something. Who does that?
We do, apparently.
Between booping a dragon Snoot and fighting a god, you're supposed to want to boop the Snoot.
It's okay, you'll get to move from the torch.
Into the ocean?
Shit, that was too early.
Oh.
Oh, yes, that was...
No, I don't know. No, we're good, we're good.
Oh, it's fine, as long as she got a stack.
Yeah, we're good.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Okay, I thought you cleansed
Good
the
thing.
green
I nearly ran into the wall.
I thought I did.
Just say the word, I'll get done. I'll do it.
I'm just losing my brain. That's okay. I didn't need it.
There.
Here,
You can have the brain cell.
Yeah.
Did we just think the
Oh,
same?
Yeah.
thank you.
One
Wait,
brain cell.
if we both handed Shag the brain cell, did we manage to get a second brain cell?
I
One of
guess.
them's just a pocket one.
I'm
This
wrong.
is how we win.
Sorry, God.
There was definitely one north. That was not my fault that time.
Yeah. Oh, Lord.
Okay. Because I was like, where's Athena?
Yeah, no,
That was on the floor.
That's my fault.
Okay. I just... I stated that in a tone I didn't mean to state it in. I was just like, but no, I swear I looked this time.
I got tethered by a satin, let's go.
Been chosen. No.
I got chosen. Don't kill it.
I think you want us to kill it. Sorry.
That's what I said. This,
I was reckoning it.
Oh, I thought you said don't kill
It's my satin, mine.
it. I blame Crocoport.
My precious.
I wanna walk my satin pin.
Like, I knew
Yeah, I
it
was talking to a
greedy
couple
though a little bit.
friends who let's play, and they say like Ice Brood is apparently really good. It's just the ending that people hate. We're gonna get hit with the down burst.
That sucks.
Forever.
You know, one day not even bothering to look at where I echolocated him is gonna bite me in the ass. It
Yeah.
hasn't yet, but I feel like it's
I'm dead. Nope.
I'm
Unfortunately not.
oh.
Death is just a beck and call away.
I think I have more survivability tools on my Feral Druid than I do on my tank.
Oh, I thought you only had survival instinct.
And Bark Skin and constant self-healing.
You can do that
And
as a
if I-
paladin.
Yeah. Well, I self-heal without casting anything. It's literally part of the rotation.
Oh, I guess that's true. You have to.
Well, I do cast it, but like, it's free.
It's instant, yeah.
It's instant free, and it just eats GCDs. I'm not doing anything anyway.
It's just what, regrowth? That's all you do?
Yeah.
Rest in peace, healing touch doesn't exist. The good druid healing spell.
Still
Way
feels
back.
weird, but it's gone.
I know. I remember the old Rested Druid playstyle where you put a bunch of HOTS and it buffed healing touch. And you
No, the old one is you put a bunch of dots and it buffed Nourish,
just- Oh, it wasn't nourished.
and then they baked Nourish into Healing Touch. I think that was like, I don't know when that was.
Did
The
it?
Legion had a playstyle around that.
Oh, weird.
But in Wrath, they added Nourish, which heals more depending on how many hots are on the target.
Back in my day.
Uh-huh.
Okay, here's another gate. Give me a bubble.
Third is safe. That's fine.
Is this just slower than normal, or am I going insane?
You're going
You're going
insane.
insane.
Okay. he was on the fourth one, so obviously he was like slower.
Oh yeah.
The afterburners went out later.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Yeah, no.
Oh,
Two.
well, that's just what these were. Remember when we used to walk out and die to that? I remember.
Yeah. Right.
Low right, my
Go
favorite.
mid, go rails.
Agree.
X.
On 3-6. Good.
Yeah, we're good.
Back up.
Will's group is trying to do that without comms.
Through.
Ambitious.
Because each won't talk or
Middle.
something.
Expect.
I told him. I don't think it'll work very well.
Why doesn't someone want to talk?
I don't know.
D. Should at least use comms and only have 1 out of 8 B. Definitely not.
It's at least not that like a giga brain strat that I had on the regular
Healer.
build.
Maybe they've changed it since I talked to him.
I hope so.
What? Oh, not your person.
Well, I hope my people have changed too.
No, your people made that strat
Back.
to begin with. They're beyond hope.
Sorry, Ray.
I
These
forgot.
people.
Can't
It's just a
stand
bunch of fucking automatons.
Automatons are great.
Stuck on me.
Couldn't automatons, right?
Left.
Left thumbs.
At least they can speak.
Right.
It is a DPS
We
increase.
just raid with voice commands.
Left. Go through.
Hug.
It's okay, it's bigger than the horse.
Nuts to butts.
Tight!
Oh,
Thank you.
holy shit. Okay.
Oh,
I was
really
expecting to be
wondering.
mountain bustered, and I was not.
Go get the bits, guys. I don't have it. Go run around.
No.
Oh, hell.
I'm meditating.
Go be like chickens.
Somebody lied.
You ever
my
panic
God.
because you don't get tank bustered? Yeah.
Yes, I have.
Throws off your rhythm.
You met me. It's worse in WoW where everything's based on the cooldown, so sometimes the boss will decide to do a different mechanic before the buster, but you were
Oh,
expecting
yeah.
it first, and then you're just like, huh? But
Alright, check your food, Yuri.
Lady Ashmane especially was really bad about that in BFA.
Never did that read.
It was so random that it was just like, I don't know, it wasn't like hard, but we were under geared, it was a little rough.
What did she do?
She constantly would switch up the order she would do her abilities, because like her buster and her other thing would come up at the same time, and then she'd do the other
Oh.
thing first sometimes, or the buster, it was just,
Inconsistent.
it was very inconsistent, it was strange. So,
Oh, I'm mad. I fucked it up.
huh? Did we both
I-
run our openers?
I completely fucked my opener.
Me too.
I didn't get rid of one I fucking send, so I was like, why am I not dotting here? Why do I have 10k? What's going on?
D either side. That's a landslide.
Yeah, I did fight or flight instead of wreck, and it's gonna suck.
Go. Wait. Range D. down. Okay, we're good.
Just a love tap.
That's a little chef's kiss on you.
Nothing back in. Practice Vulcan burst. Again. Sure cast.
He's gonna push.
Push.
Hey, look top down, look, see what you get.
Fucking laser
Tight,
canceling
tight,
my
tight.
cast.
Dodge. Back in. Wait. Move.
Fucking did that
Ready for
waste
ult.
road.
You guys are between A and B.
Soil helps a lot.
Orient yourselves.
Do you have Endom wave?
Yeah.
Okay. Wait till you hit the first orb.
Yeah.
I used Shark Light, sorry.
It's okay.
Let the healer pump it.
Need a bit of help.
Gotcha, go,
I
go,
got
go,
it,
go.
I got it.
Go to A.
I'll take the boss.
Yep, Nyan's tanking. These pots and cooldowns now. For the primals.
Effort.
Effort. To now. Stay here, stay here. Wait.
Attack veil and
It will be Garuda next. Okay, go to the middle-ish. Be on the edge of the dynamo. Be on the edge, be on the edge. Move in and wait here. Wait for the screen, wait for the screen. Wait.
Stay here. Right.
Back to A, then Titan. Right. Left. Right, stay stacked. All the mitigation we have.
Everything. Top.
It's not a lot.
Shields and
Use
top.
personal shields if you have them. Good. No more DPS. Or no more
This
heals.
is
No more
fucking-
heals.
You mean no more
All
healing?
more DPS. All more
all
DPS.
DPS, please. All DPS.
LB when
No
you're
more
done with
DPS,
your
guys.
burst.
You
LB
heard
when
him.
you're done with your burst.
You didn't use your pot, use it now.
Yep. Put up dots if you have them. Put up dots now if you have them. Okay, put up dots. Put up dots.
Feeling good.
Come on. Yeah, this should be it. This is it. Yep.
Yeah, he's
Good shit. Nice.
Congrats.
Congratulations, Sue. You are now the ultimate
Oh, thank-
legend, by the
thank
way. And
God, I
congratulations,
didn't-
Chag. You are now the perfect ultimate triple legend, by the
She's not
way.
triple legend.
Oh, you're not? Wait,
Double,
what?
double legend.
Oh, okay, sorry.
She's a
I've
double
done
legend.
The perfect
Double
ultimate legend, by the way.
Perfect
The
ultimate.
Perfect. Ultimate.
Good job. Congratulations,
I didn't
guys.
even have to turn on my cutscenes because this character's never cleared this
Oh,
shit.
Yep, yeah. It takes a lot of work to be a perfect ultimate the legend like me, but you'll get there one day.
I'm fucking leaving.
Okay.
no, don't get a screenshot, Valor.
What? Come on!
Valor.
gotta
Two
do it.
people
Okay,
here
we gotta
haven't
do it
cleared it. Oh my god.
I mean,
All right, we'll Photoshop you in really badly.
Valor,
I'll send you-
let us
I'll
know.